Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your Airbnb app is showing everything in Canadian dollars. How do you actually go ahead and change that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Airbnb app. Then click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Account Settings on the middle hand side. Then click on Payments. Then on the top right hand corner, go ahead and click on the currency. So this is where you can switch between Canadian, Chilean, Colombian, Euros, and US dollars. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your currency on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.